Check out this screenshot from Ahrefs that shows the referring domains, referring pages, and domain rating for one of my websites. Notice how all of those numbers started skyrocketing around January 2020? Guess what I had started doing a few months earlier in the last few months of 2019 that caused all these numbers to massively and steadily go up? Oh, and also get this, thanks to that huge spike, my product sales also shot up by over a whopping 3,000% as well. All because my site was being found more, not just by Google, but by someone even more important than Google, my potential buyers. You want to know my little secret? Hi, my name is Ravi Jayagopal. I'm a full-time entrepreneur, an 8-time author, podcaster, WordPress developer, digital marketer, business coach, speaker, and also an amateur ventriloquist. And here is my little secret. It is basically search engine optimization, SEO. But wait, before you groan and moan, no, it's not what you think. Side door SEO and roundabout rankings. This is the main SEO strategy that this entire course is based on. This is such a simple yet incredibly powerful strategy that you will be practically shocked about how well it works, especially as I show you real and current results from having used this strategy on my own website, s3mediavaults.com. Now, imagine you are in line at a posh nightclub in New York City, or for some inexplicable reason, you are in line in front of a Louis Vuitton store in Paris, or as the French would say, Louis Vuitton. I think I got that right. Pardon my French. And you realize it's going to take you at least 4 to 5 hours to get in. So you start walking around the store to see if there's any other way to get in. And you come across a door on the side of the building. So you knock on the door to see if anyone will open it, and maybe it leads to inside the store. Nobody opens it. So you keep walking and you find another door. You knock again. No response. But you're not one to give up that easily, so you keep walking and you find another door. And when you knock, this time someone actually opens it. And you ask if you can come into the store through this door. They say yes, of course, come on in. And now you just skipped about 5 hours of waiting in line and in less than 10 minutes found an easier way to get in. And that's exactly what side door SEO and roundabout rankings is about. Don't worry about getting in through the front door because the front side is super crowded and it's going to take you months or even up to a year to rank directly on the front page of Google, even if you use all of the usual SEO tactics. But if you use my incredible new strategy, it'll help you achieve your main goal of search engine optimization, which is to be found by your potential customers when they are doing a Google search. This is nothing like what popped into your head just now when I said SEO. What you probably thought of when I said SEO is your eyes probably glazed over, thinking of all the highly technical and complicated stuff you have to learn, expensive tools to buy, the steep learning curve of figuring them out, how much crazy work it's all going to be, how long you'll have to wait, like a year or more, to see the results, how you probably don't have that much time or money to get results, the relentless content creation, endless guest article pitching and writing, dealing with agencies that want to charge hundreds if not thousands of dollars a month, only to end up creating content spam, maybe linking to your site from black hat link farms and shady sites, and risk being banned by Google completely and losing your business. But this is none of that. Side door SEO is a new strategy I've created, in fact, kind of stumbled upon and then perfected it, that follows a highly efficient, laser-focused, explosively powerful set of tactics that can be used to put your product or service in front of your prospective customers. I call it side door SEO and roundabout rankings, practical SEO for entrepreneurs and digital creators. None of the same old that you might think of when you hear SEO. No more having to wait for a year or more to see results. No gaming or tricking Google. No paid tools. Nope, not even one. Just a couple of free tools. You can do this yourself for as little as 10 minutes a day or as many as 10 hours a day. Or you can outsource this entirely by sharing this training with your staff No link farms or shady black hat stuff that will risk your website getting banned. No endless writing of guest articles. No need to spend thousands on an SEO agency or buy expensive tools for hundreds of dollars a month. No software to buy or spend hours upon hours learning and setting it up. No need to create an expensive software product or expensive infographics just to get backlinks. This system is so simple, yet so incredibly powerful that you'll be absolutely stunned by the amazing results when you implement it. And you'll be blown away that no one else on planet Earth is teaching, or maybe even knows, the core strategy and the underlying tactics that this course is based on. This even works on other search engines, like yep.com, which is a brand new search engine that I stumbled into just a couple of days ago, and Microsoft's Bing.com, which shows 2 links to my website on their homepage for a specific search. Side door SEO is not just about Google. It's primarily about your customers finding you. As you can see from the first screenshot above, side door SEO skyrocketed the number of incoming links from other domains, my domain ranking, my traffic, the number of potential customers finding out about me, all of which led to the most important number, skyrocketing sales, which increased by over 3,000%. So side door SEO is not about tricking Google. It's about showing up where your customers are already looking for the products and services that you're offering, and bring you paying customers and increase your sales. Side door SEO is a highly scalable, duplicatable, followable, super easy to understand, and super simple to implement strategy and set of powerful tactics. In the course, I show you proof after head-exploding amount of proof of how it has worked for me. And I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing for your website. Obviously, to keep my lawyer happy, I have to say that I cannot guarantee that it will work for you, but you already knew that. You can do this yourself for as little as 10 minutes a day, or if you want the fastest results, do this for a couple of hours a day. Or if you have more money than time, you can also outsource it to my agency as well. Zero technical knowledge is required. If you know how to post something on Facebook, you can do this yourself. And in this course, I walk you through everything on video, step by step, where you get to look over my shoulder, chock full of actual proof of my own jaw-dropping results, and learn how you can do it yourself. And you also get a detailed mind map that gives you the entire strategy broken down into easy to implement subtasks. And you also get a free one-on-one call with me as well as a bonus for buying side door SEO. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me via the link at the bottom of this page. Hope to see you sign up for side door SEO so I can help put your website in front of your potential customers and help you enjoy the increased revenue and profits because of that. Cheers.